Now, posting content daily on Facebook sounds very hectic. But what if I tell you, you can create and post content on your Facebook social media every single day at a particular time automatically with the help of AI. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to Pabbly. AI is growing a lot. Now, with the help of AI and automation, you can create and post, publish amazing content on your Facebook post to attract more audience for your business. In this video, I will show you how every single day with the help of OpenAI, you can create this setup that is automatically going to post unique content every single day on your Facebook page. So without wasting any more of my time, I'm going to show you how you can create this amazing setup that you can see on the screen right now without need of any technical coding and programming skills with the help of this amazing software, Pabbly Connect. So let's move on with this video. In order to search for this automation software, to create this setup, on a new tab, search for www.pabbly.com/connect and you will come to this landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time with me to create this setup, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the task, you can create this amazing setup with me, okay? And if you like using Pabbly Connect and the features and how easy it is, then you can purchase our yearly or one-time plans. Using our yearly and one-time plans, you can automate and get the access of Pabbly Connect's amazing features. Now, if you are planning to do so, you want amazing discounts on the purchase, use my code to get most amazing discounts for this purchase. You'll get the maximum discount with my code, and this is for the limited time only. So go ahead, use the code, purchase our plans and automate your business workflows. I am already a user, so I've signed in and I'm on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now, to create this amazing setup, go to this create workflow option and click on the option of create from scratch. Now we have to name our workflow, for which I'll write over here as OpenAI creates and publishes Facebook post automatically. For the folder, these are the folders from which I'll select workflows folder and I'll create the new automation setup from here. Inside Pabbly Connect's workflow, there are two major steps: trigger and action. Trigger initiates the workflow and action then follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple actions. We are going to set up a trigger, for which my trigger application is going to be scheduled by Pabbly and the event is going to be scheduled workflow. Why am I selecting the particular application and the event? Because my use case is to create the content every single day. So we need to make this workflow execute every single day, trigger every single day to create the new post automatically. So that is why we are scheduling this workflow to trigger every day. Okay, click on this connect option and for the interval, select every single day and the particular time when you want to trigger this workflow. At 12 p.m. I want to trigger this workflow. So every single day at 12 p.m. this workflow is going to be triggered through scheduled by Pabbly. Save the step, you will receive this positive response. Now, what should happen? OpenAI should first create the caption for the post, a unique caption. Now for that, add an action step where for the action application, select over here as OpenAI as the application right here and the event over here as what? ChatGPT. Using OpenAI ChatGPT, the caption for my Facebook post should be generated. Add new connection, click on this option. To provide the token, directly go towards this hyperlink. You will log into your OpenAI account's API keys page. Generate the new key from here, save it, paste it down in the field, create the connection. I will save the existing connection from before that I've already created. For the model, I will be using GPT 5.4. If you want to use any other model, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. Next, we have to enter the prompt. Using ChatGPT or OpenAI, you have to enter what you need help with in this section. What text you are entering? I want to generate the caption, unique caption every single day for related to health. I want to generate content related to health because I have a yoga institution and I want to create content related to health and everything. Okay. So in the prompt, I'm going to adjust the prompt accordingly, where according for my use case, I will ask OpenAI to generate unique captions for my Facebook post, a knowledge giving caption, an advice, fun fact caption. Every single day, the unique content will be generated through the prompt that I will enter. Before I'll show you the prompt, if you want the exact prompt that I'm using, you can comment down below prompt and I will share you the amazing prompt that will generate captions for your Facebook page post every single day. Unique captions, okay? So now I'm going to enter the prompt right here. So this is the prompt. You are a professional health content creator for Facebook. Create one completely unique Facebook post every single time the prompt is executed. Never repeat topics, captions, and writing style from previous outputs. These are the different topics that I've entered. I've entered a very detailed prompt right here. Now I'm going to simply click on the save and send test request button, and ChatGPT is going to generate me the unique content related to health. You can tailor this prompt that I've entered right over here according to your use case. And if you want me that I should generate that prompt according to your use case, you need to comment your use case with prompt, and I'm going to generate the unique caption, and I'm going to generate the unique prompt for you. Okay, now as I've done that, you will receive this positive response, and I have received this unique caption. Your gut loves variety more than perfection. One of the simplest way to support digestion is to eat more different plant foods across the week. Doesn't mean going fully vegetarian. You can see right over here this amazing content is generated, and now as this content is generated, I have the caption. But I want to create attractive post just like this with the image. So now let's ask OpenAI to generate an image as well, but what according to the caption. So I will select OpenAI as the action application again, and now the event is going to be generate image with GPT image 1. Okay, click on this connect option. Now I'm going to select the existing connection from before. In the similar manner, you have to create the connection. Now this prompt is going to be tailored to create the image according to the caption. So now for this prompt, I will write over here as, so this is the prompt I've written. You're an expert AI image prompt engineer using the following Facebook caption. For this caption field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where you want to map the data, add a slash. You will see the previous step of OpenAI will appear in front of you, where you will see the content, the caption that I want to add in this prompt right here. So if I'm going to select the data from my previous response, you will clearly see this particular data right here is mapped, and as now this data has been mapped, this data has now become dynamic. Now whenever a new response of a new caption will be captured in the previous OpenAI step, that new data will be updated in place of this map data. So I've written create one highly detailed image that matches the caption perfectly. You can see I've entered all the details right over here. Written only with the final image. Okay, so as I've entered all the details, model is selected. I want to generate only one image, so I'll select the number of samples as 1. The style over here is going to be this landscape style. For the moderation, I have selected over here as auto, and for the quality I want high quality, so I've selected over here as high. Okay, and then I want PNG format, so I'll select background is going to be auto, and I do not require any other field, so I'll simply skip the part and click on the save and send test request button, and I will receive a URL, an image URL that is going to be matching with the caption that is generated with the help of this other OpenAI agent. Okay, so I will wait for a few seconds. It will usually takes 10 to 15 seconds for the image to be generated. So I'm going to wait, and then I'll show you the final result that OpenAI has generated for me. If you want this prompt for the image that I have used in this section right over here, if you want your own personalized prompt according to your use case, with the use case type, give me the prompt, and I will give you the prompt according to your requirement that is going to generate the best high quality images, and you can use that prompt for your setup as well. Okay, so I'm going to wait till the image is generated in front of you. And you can see right over here, this is the file URL. If I'm going to copy it and open it on a new tab, you will see an image is successfully generated. Now this image is related to the caption that is generated with OpenAI. So as now we have the image and the caption, let's create a Facebook page post. For that, add an action step, where for the action application, I will select over here as what? Facebook pages, and the event is going to be create page photo post. post. Click on this connect option, go to add new connection section and click on this connect with Facebook pages option. And then simply give the permission directly. The connection was super easy because I've already logged into my Facebook account on a new tab. You also need to do that. For the page, I want to create the post in the page, the yoga nest. That's my yoga institution page. So I've selected the page from here. For the photo URL, I will map the data of this URL. For the description, I will map the data of the content that is generated. And then simply I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. As soon as I will do that, in 5 to 10 seconds, you will see the response is going to arrive. This is the response with the ID, which is a positive response. If I refresh this Facebook page from here, you will see automatically a new content is going to be posted on my Facebook page. If I'll show you the content, let it load first. Okay, now as the image is loaded, you can see this is the same image that was generated with the help of AI. With that, this is the same caption. It's a very detailed and amazing, very describable caption that my audience can actually read. So as now the post is created, automatically this entire setup is done. Now every single day this workflow is going to be triggered through Schedule by Pabbly. OpenAI will generate the image and the caption and post it on my Facebook page. So if you like this setup and if you have created this setup for yourself and if you have any problems while creating this amazing setup, comment that problem below. I will reply to all your queries. If you want to purchase an earlier lifetime plan of Pabbly Connect to create such amazing automations for your business, promotion or any other thing as well, you can use the code ANGYT to get instant and amazing discounts, most amazing discounts on the purchase. The code is going to give the most amazing discounts for the limited time only. So guys, go ahead and use the code right away. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.